Go.
Of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather.
Let's go.
The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas: WXL 57 at Des Moines, WXL 94 at Brentwood County, WXK 84 at Fort Dodge, KXI 98 at Marshalltown, KXI 62 at Montezuma, WXM 91 at Rathbun Lake, WNG 730 at Atoma, QZZ 51 at Carroll, QZZ 68
you're off,
at
nice.
Worth, KXI 65 at Lennox, WNG 666 at Iowa Falls,
Went off too, nice.
WNG 668 at Denison,
Y'all went off.
WNG 688 at
Let's see, did they go recon went off?
KJY 63 at
No, it
Forest
didn't.
City.
Good job.
For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter,
off.
please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.
There we go.
Now